Good morning, guys. My name is the Old Mechanic. Welcome back in my shed. And today I'm going to show you what happened to my Innovv K5 camera, my front camera, this one. It suddenly stopped working. So this morning took out my my good old fluke and I start measuring if it got the voltage from the battery, which it did. The voltage when you start up the engine and the camera should go on, was also good. Then I start looking at the power supply. It makes from the 12 volt from the bike to a lower voltage. I measured about 5 volt, so that it all was good. So then I had another option to be sure that it wasn't that power supply. I'm gonna show you. Come on over. Now guys, this is the camera. And over here, this wire, this connector goes to that power supply. And when you unscrew this one, so now the power supply is off, you can use a power supply like this and a USB cable like this, put it in, and now I put it in outlet, so, and I put it in here. Okay guys, now what I'm gonna do now is open the Innovv app. I'm gonna show it to you somewhere in the picture. Even kijken, guys. Okay. Okay, this is the Innovv app. Then I go to settings, so it's busy, and it said connect the camera to the Wi-Fi. It sends out a Wi-Fi signal, and my phone should pick that up. So cancel. Then we go to my Wi-Fi settings. That's over here. It is connected with the Wi-Fi inside of my house. Details. And as you can see, no Wi-Fi signal pops up. But I have the solution. From all the things I thought it could be, this was the thing I never expected. But I found it out, and maybe you learn a few things. Now watch what happened. Get this charger cable out. Okay. Put my phone away for a moment. Then guys, I have my 512 gigabyte Samsung Evo card, Samsung Plus. I take it out. Now guess what? Watch. Put the card away. Oops, for a moment. Then put the power supply back in. Okay. It's now into the unit. Now watch. Opening my Wi-Fi. Is now checking for Wi-Fi stuff. And there you can see, it pops up. I connect to it. Okay. Checking the quality of my internet. Okay, I believe that. Then I'm opening the Innovv app. And to my surprise, my camera functions. So, there is something with the card. Maybe it wrote something onto it that the card crashed or whatever. So, I now go to my computer and format the card over there. As you can see over here, there is a setting format, but the moment I put the card in, the app stops, the camera stops working. So I can't format it in the machine. So back in a moment. I formatted it XFAT. How fat? XFAT. I'm gonna push it in. Okay. Put the camera again on the power supply. Then opening the app. First I have to look at my Wi-Fi. Okay. There he is. Come on. It's quick now. And opening the Innovv app. Again and again. Again the settings. There are the settings. We're scrolling down. Yes! We're gonna format it. Stop recording. Format successful. My camera stopped working because the unit crashes the SD card. Guys. What? Solve the problem. Now I have to get all my wiring back in. But yes. Yeah. Let's see if he made a video. That's also interesting on the card. Then we go back and we push the camera. Okay. This is my face. Then, yeah. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. No, wrong. I have to say documents. There are the, see the camera, the files stored. Camera files. Continuously videos. Yes. Gonna look at this video. Play. Yeah. So it's working. Yeah. See? Okay. Old mechanic. Stop. Oh, this one. Back. I can close the app. Close. Now guys, this was my video. How to solve a problem with the Innovv K5. I think it's the K5, yeah. It turns out it was just the SD card. Well, I hope you learned a few things. And if you did, subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate that. Give me thumbs up also, good for the YouTube algorithm. I'm gonna mount all the stuff back onto my bike and then take it for a spin. Good plan, old mechanic. See you the next time, old mechanic.